Good morning, YouTubers. It's June 13th, 2020. Another day for a good bath for the trailer. So to all you who want to know how to get an awning clean, I've said before, I do 1 cup of straight bleach to 7 to 8 cups of water, whatever you feel more comfortable with. And I just use a Scott's sprayer, mix it up really well, and I'll just walk you through. What I do with the sprayer is I spray all this up in here, and then I roll it up a little bit and I spray it some more, and I roll it and I spray it some more until it's completely covered, and then I roll it all the way up and I just let it sit. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but my awning, with the exception of one spot here or there, you know, just an embedded stain, came out just absolutely almost brand new. And I do this once a year, usually that first one of the season, covered or not. Seems to have a whole bunch of stuff rolled up in the ends and just stained to beat the band. But with the 1 part bleach to 7 parts water, spray it on, roll it up, wash the whole trailer. Go ahead. You're gonna leave it rolled up anyway for an hour, so you might as well wash the whole trailer. While you got all your stuff out, you'll come out, unroll it, and then rinse it off thoroughly, top side and bottom. Rinse it thoroughly. Try to get all the residual bleach heavily diluted with water and just let it run off, and hopefully you have the same kind of results. But I mean, this thing looks brand new. I'm not sure you'll be able to tell from the shading or shadowing from where I'm standing, but I mean, this here is right over the entry door. That's usually a hot spot for a bunch of staining. And as we move back here, I'm going to go to the other edge. Everybody experiences most of their stains right on the edge, but here's mine. Take you all the way up to the top, and there you go. There's the top. There's the trailer door on the back. So if anybody has a trailer with the same experience, you're going to say, wow, that thing's really clean. So take care.